Hello lovelies, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great wherever you are watching me. If today is your first time, you are welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. So beautiful people, today I'm going to be sharing my breakfast recipe. This is tuna baguette, okay? A simple and a healthy one. So to make this recipe, you're going to be needing some tuna, okay? Yeah, so this tuna I got it from Lidl. You can as well get it from any other supermarket. I just go ahead and drain the oil and then I set it aside. I'm not going to throw it out because in my kitchen nothing goes wasted. I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, so whilst you subscribe to my channel, so I'm just going to set this tuna aside and then go ahead to slice my vegetables. Okay, yes. One thing about this breakfast is that it encourages you to eat fresh vegetables like the onions and tomatoes, and eating them raw is important to our health. That is, if we can, especially for the men. You know, eating fresh tomatoes goes a long way to boosting your sperm count, and eating fresh onions also help you with, if you are dealing with erectile dysfunction, eating fresh onion also helps because of the scent. I know, like when you eat fresh onions, a lot of men wouldn't want to eat it. So I'm just going to set this aside, then I'll continue with my bread. I'm using this half-baked bread that I got from the supermarket. Okay, you can use tea bread, you can use butter bread, you can use brown bread, or whichever bread you lay your hands on. So I'll just quickly grill it like you can see, and then I continue with the filling. Okay, so I'll just cut it open, then I go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. So I just place my tomatoes on it beautifully like that. You can add more if you want, okay? And then I go ahead and do so with the onions as well. And then I continue with my tuna, okay? If you don't like tuna, you can use sardine also, no problem. And then I go ahead and place the mozzarella on it, okay? So that's just about it. So simple but healthy. Just look at how appetizing this is looking. Tell me it's not appetizing. So guys, you can enjoy this with your beverage, with your Lipton, any other way. Thank you so much for watching. That is the end, and I'll see you on my next video.